Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how we can log in to our UMPQUA Bank Credit Card. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the web browser and search UMPQUA Bank. After that, click on first link appeared on your screen. Now click on login. To choose your login, you have to select credit card. Now you will be asked to enter your username and your password. Make sure to enter both of them correctly. If you have forgot your username or your password, you can recover it by clicking on forget username or clicking on forget password. After entering your correct information, you have to click on login and your credit card will be logged in. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.